Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can use the multiple stroke effect in the Photoshop text. Here you can see that in this text I have applied the 3 strokes. I have a text with black background first, and the one stroke with yellow in color, and second stroke is blue in color, and the third stroke is red in color. So let's begin the tutorial. First you need to create a one document with white background. Okay, you have a one document with white background. You go to the text tool and select your text tool from here and write here text stroke. With the help of move tool, which is the first icon on the toolbar, and then bring it in the middle. Now you have a text. To change the font of your text, go back to your text tool, and then you can see this one. This is the text font, and you can select the different font you like. But today I leave it on. Let me change the text. Okay, I just leave it this text. And text size, you can change the text size from here. So 350 pt, and once you change the text size and text font style and press it OK. Now you have the text. So remove this one. This is the extra, so we don't need it. Now we are going to apply the stroke on this text. So either you go here from the layer effect tool, FX, or double click on the layer to open your layer style. When I double click on the layer, you can see that the layer style is open and there is a stroke here. Let's cancel this one, and the other way, click on your FX and go to stroke. Now you will have a stroke, and the stroke of yellow color is already applied on it. So I leave the size 10px, the position is outside, opacity I leave 400%, and the color for this first stroke I leave it in this color. Press it OK. This is the first stroke I applied in my text. Now to apply the second stroke, again go double click on the layer or click on the FX icon on the bottom of your Photoshop. So you can see the plus icon next to your stroke. Click the plus icon, which helps to create the two stroke with the same colors and same values. So practically it is the duplicate of the first stroke. When you uncheck it, you can see the stroke is still there. When you uncheck other one, you can see the other stroke is there. So practically this is the duplicate copy or duplicate of the first stroke. And this is the original. So the bottom one is the original stroke, and the top one is the new stroke I applied. So what you do, select the first bottom stroke and change the color into different color, blue. OK, and change the position into inside side. Now you are able to see the blue color, because the second stroke you have the position is outside, so the stroke applies outside the text, and the original stroke you have the position is inside and the stroke applies inside the text. So you can able to see the stroke. If I put the position outside, now the new stroke is hide the color of the original stroke. So if you have one more stroke, then you may not be able to see the third stroke, because you have only two positions. You have used one for inside, one for outside, and you have no option to use the third stroke. So this is not the right way to do. So let's put it back to the outside. And what you do is, the first stroke you leave it, the size limit for 10 pxs. This is the duplicate of the original stroke. And the position limit for outside, everything leave it as it is. Go to the second stroke, the original stroke, and change the size into 20 px. It's because we apply the size of the copy stroke plus the size of this original stroke. So put it 20 px, and you can see that the second stroke, now you are able to see it. And make plus again to apply the third stroke. In the third stroke, you change the size to 30 px and change the color, because here the second stroke and the third stroke has the same color, so the stroke thickness is become wider. So change the color into different color, so you may be able to see. Now you can see that the third stroke has purple color. And to add one more stroke, go make the copy of this stroke, and you have two stroke, and this is the original copy of the original stroke with the purple color, and this is the copy. So change in the original stroke and change the value into 40 and change the color into, yeah, now you can see that the 4 different stroke color. To change the position of the stroke, you can select any stroke and put it up and down. That's it. This is how you apply the different color of stroke in a text. Well, thank you for watching my video.